Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had an idea, a dream, or a vision that others laughed at? Today's video is about something every entrepreneur faces at some point: doubt from others. They laugh when you start, but they stay silent when you succeed. We'll talk about 1. Why people don't believe in you at first. 2. How to stay focused when you're doubted. 3. And the exact mindset shift that makes all the difference. Let's dive in. Why people laugh. People laugh at what they don't understand. They laugh because 1. It challenges their version of what's possible. 2. It makes them confront their own inaction. 3. They think safety is better than risk. But what they're really doing is projecting their own fear onto you. If you're building something bold, expect resistance. Even from friends, family, or people you respect. The early stage is the hardest. When you're just starting out, you have no proof. You have no success to show. You're learning everything on the go. This is when the doubts are loudest. You might hear, "That'll never work. Why don't you get a real job? You're wasting your time." But here's the truth. They don't see the vision because it's not theirs. It's yours. And that's okay. Using doubt as fuel. Doubt can do 2 things. 1, break you. 2, or build you. If you're doing this to prove others wrong, that's a start. But the real shift happens when you start doing it to prove yourself right. Let their laughter fuel your focus. Let their silence in the future be your loudest win. Create like nobody's watching. Build like it's already successful. Building in silence. Here's something most people miss. You don't need to announce your every move. You don't need approval before you start. You just need consistency and belief. What to focus on instead? 1. Show up every day. 2. Fail publicly. Learn privately. 3. Let your work speak louder than your words. Success doesn't always need a crowd. Sometimes the best wins are built in silence. Stories of silenced doubters. Think about this. 1. Elon Musk was laughed at for electric cars. 2. Sarah Blakely started Spanx with no fashion background. 3. Jan Koum WhatsApp used food stamps before selling to Facebook for $19 billion. All of them were laughed at, until they weren't. What changed? Not the critics, but the results. So if they're laughing at you right now, let them. One day, they'll be silent. And not because you shut them up, but because you proved yourself without needing to. Stay focused. Stay grounded. Let the journey humble you, and the wins inspire others. And most importantly, believe in the version of yourself they haven't met yet. Thanks for watching Startup Sparks. If this hit home, drop a comment and tell me, what are you building that others don't believe in yet? You've got this. Keep building.